what if you could engage your participants on a whole new level by incorporating video questions? Well, let me show you how with Jotform. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and as you can see, I'm currently in the desktop version of my workspace. And like I mentioned, instead of having your users read a long question, you could engage them on a whole nother level by having a video question. This will allow for a more engaging and interactive experience for your users. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new form. Let's do a form from scratch on the classic form, and I'm just going to add a few elements. Let's do name, email, and phone number. And in order to add a video as a question, we're going to come up here to widgets. Now, I actually have all of the video widgets available here, so you can see at a glance all of them. So you can see that you can easily add in a YouTube video. If you have shot a Loom, you could add a Loom video. You could use Animoto, Spotify, lots of things that you can add in to make your form more engaging for your users. So I'm going to go ahead and head back. Let's choose widgets and let's do a search for Loom. So we have video recorder, but we also have video embed. So this is going to allow them to watch that video. And here you can see you can enter in that Loom URL here. And it looks like we already have a video on how to embed a Loom into Jotform right here. But let's go ahead and let's choose YouTube now. We'll do YouTube. And same thing, all you need to do is add in the URL for that YouTube video. Let's take a look at Spotify. And again, you just have to enter in the link to the song that you would like to play. Now, on the flip side to that, if you would like your users to upload a video, all we need to do is come back over here to basic. We'll scroll down a little bit and we'll do file upload. So if you need them to record a video response to your video question, they can browse for their file on their phone or their desktop and add that video here. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use video questions in your form, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.